Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the delay, but it was just too cold to work outside to do something on the scooters. We currently have a temperature of 12 degrees. I don't know if you can see it here, 12 degrees. And now you can go out and do something, all the connectors and everything is, it's much better to work on when it's warmer. So I decided to do something on the Ditech. I took it apart. As you can see, it still is not cleaned. It's dirty as hell. Everything is dirty. The fairing is over here, also dirty. So I didn't clean it at all. But I changed all the hoses. As you can see, the main fuel hose, main fuel line, the return fuel line, and the compressor. Oh my God! The compressor hose has been changed. And now, very interesting. This thing is from Italy, and I can show you the hoses. This one was previously that one, and this is so hard. You can just barely squeeze it. It's like plastic. Look what happened. Just like plastic. So hard. The same for the fuel return line. You can bend it and just crack it like this. Wait a second. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. I did it here. You just cracked. It's the fuel return hose. Yeah, you see, I did another one. You see? 2 cracks. I don't know, it could be because of the fuel, but also because of the high temperatures in Italy. This is the fuel hose. This is the short one from here, and this one is also cracked like hell. Look at this. Look at the cracks. So this is garbage. And this was the compressor hose. I mean, this one is not bad, but it's hard like plastic, so I changed it also. So then I cleaned the area around the compressor because it was black. It was simply black with a lot of stuff, dirt and everything on it, and I hate it. So the first thing I did was cleaning this part. And yeah, also one thing, this little rubber part going from the oil tank is also cracked, you see, but it's still, it doesn't leak. Maybe just a little bit over here. You can see it also cracked here, but it's still, yeah, not leaking very badly. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna have to change it also, but for testing it's going to be fine. I got a lot of fuel lines and oil lines over here, so this is going to be fun. This is the mud thing, what do you say, okay, so, but as for the rest of it, it looks nice. And besides that, this is these are the Piaggio clip-on connectors, so you can remove it by moving these things up and just pulling on the hose, so it's much easier to remove them. Oh yeah, okay, I put on my fuel pump for testing. This one is a little bit loud. I wrote loud on it, so it I know that it's loud, but it produces approximately 7 bar fuel pressure, so it's okay. So the next thing is going to be testing. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. The season is starting, it's getting warm, so I think I will work on it again soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write me or ask me. Bye bye.